Hi, Jay Andrews here with Laguna Tools, and today I've got something that's really special for you. This is the long-awaited Laguna DP-18 drill press. This drill press sets the new standard for full-size floor-standing drill presses. You can see that the foundation for this unique drill press starts right here with the headstock. This is a cast iron headstock, and you'll see that there's no motor exposed on the back, no pulleys to fuss with. It's got electronic variable speed, and the motor is enclosed right inside this casting. The modern, unique design of the DP-18 drill press starts at the base. This foot assembly is cast iron. It has slots to mount a vise or other items in the base. It's topped off by a cast iron post that holds the upright column. This is a 3-inch diameter steel column. The DP-18 drill press features a unique table design. It's 15 inches deep and 22 inches wide. It has front to back T-slots as well as a side to side T-slot. These are perfect for installing a metalworking vise or for jigs and fixtures like you might use in a wood shop. We've also added 10 of these dog holes that you can add a post style clamp to lock in truly hard to hold pieces while you're drilling. The table insert can be easily removed by pressing up from the bottom. There are 4 leveling screws inside the table so that you can adjust this so that it's level, and you can replace it once it's worn. The tilting table has a positive stop to keep it at 0 degrees. That can be removed, and the table can be tilted either to the left or right to 90 degrees. This allows you to do in-drilling on a variety of longer stock. The quill travel gives a generous 6 inches of drilling capacity. There are scales on the side near the handle for manual movements and manual readout. There's also a digital readout on the front touchscreen. We've made the DP-18 very ergonomic. The handle has a quick stroke on this side, so you don't need to keep winding it around. It's also ambidextrous, where you can loosen it here and mount it on the left-hand side if you're left-handed. We've also made it to where it extends out. It'll telescope out if you're taller or shorter or need more leverage. The table height adjustment and the side-to-side motion are anchored by this massive casting. The rack and pinion gear is captured by the upper ring, and it's securely bolted in place. It's also fixed to the column using metal lock handles that have brass inserts so that it doesn't mar the column when you clamp it in place. In order to raise the table up and down, simply loosen the large metal clamp handle on the back and rotate the handle. The ergonomic grip on this handle makes it really easy to raise and lower the table. Finally, lock it in place with the metal lock handle. When it's time to swing the table, loosen the same clamp and then loosen the small metal clamps that hold the top and bottom rings, and the table can pivot easily right around the column. The main power switch is located at the rear of the drill press. It's a paddle style switch that has a convenient lockout tab. The stylish rear panel has a modern look and provides ample cooling for the variable speed motor and the advanced electronics. Up front at the main control panel, we've got our mechanical switches. There's the multi-function knob, and this will handle speed control and depth settings. This is an e-stop that can be pressed at any time to stop the drill press. When you rotate it and let it pop out, it'll reboot, and now you're ready to use the touchscreen. One of the defaults is the tone switch, and it'll come on, and that way when you're doing button presses, it'll give you an audible tone, and that can be turned off, but it defaults to the on position. You'll see that there's a laser switch on the left. In the center is the LED for your work light. You've got, of course, the tone button, and then the main on and off that starts the drill press in motion. The drill press is equipped with a heavy-duty industrial chuck. The chuck is fitted to a number 2 Morse taper that goes up into the quill. Should you need to remove the chuck for any reason, there's an included drift pin that can be inserted into the side of the quill and driven in to drive the chuck out. We use a keyed chuck because it supplies superior holding power for larger diameter tools. The chuck key is conveniently located in a holder on the side of the drill press. You can go through and change a bit, and once you're done, put the chuck key back up into the holder. There's a magnetic catch inside here to hold it in place. There's also a small micro switch built into the holder that locks out the auto start feature. This is a safety feature so that when you're tightening down a bit, should you pull down on the chuck while you're tightening the bit, the chuck key won't be ripped from your hands. The DP-18 was designed to handle the needs of both wood and metal workers. And to do that, we gave it a generous sized table as well as a great range of speed. The low is 60 RPM with a maximum of 3,600 RPM. That allows you to run a wide range of bits, taps, and other accessories. After 4 years in the making, we are really proud of the DP-18 drill press, and we know that you will love it too. It'll handle all of your drilling needs from small precise drilling to heavy drilling and milling applications. If you have questions on the drill press, go over to our website at lagunatools.com, where we will have detailed tutorial videos that show you some of the detailed functions of the control panel and the touch screen. You can also go over to our dealer locator on our website to select dealers and retailers worldwide. Thank you for choosing Laguna Tools.